Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share how to make bold, italic, strikethrough and more stylish comment for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and other social media sites. To make a bold comment, before your comment enter the symbol star and then close the symbol star. To make an italic comment, before your comment enter the symbol underscore and then close the symbol underscore. To make a strikethrough comment, before your comment enter the symbol dash and then close the symbol dash. You can also make more stylish comment with third-party website yaytext.com. Here are a lot of stylish commenting format to post on the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and other social media sites. Type here your comment and choose your stylish comment. Now copy this comment and post on the social media site. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will help you, please subscribe to our channel, get more update videos.